Your engine's lifespan depends on more than just regular oil changes. It depends on choosing the right synthetic engine oil. The wrong oil can increase engine wear, reduce fuel efficiency, and hurt performance over time. In this video, we've ranked the 5 best synthetic engine oils based on protection, performance, and overall value to help you make the right choice. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shell T6 Synthetic Oil. Shell T6 Synthetic Oil is a premium, full synthetic 15W, 40 diesel engine oil engineered for demanding engines that operate under heavy loads and extreme conditions. Built with Shell's Triple Protection Plus technology, this oil focuses on 3 critical areas, where protection, deposit control, and resistance to oil breakdown. It delivers enhanced oxidation stability, helping the oil maintain its viscosity and protective qualities even during extended drain intervals. Compared to conventional and synthetic blend 15W40 oils, Shell T6 offers noticeably better cold cranking performance and improved low-temperature pumpability, which is especially valuable for engines started in colder climates. Its advanced formulation provides improved wear performance over older API CJ4 standards, making it suitable for modern diesel engines with higher power outputs. Another key advantage is its compatibility with exhaust emissions control systems, helping protect components such as diesel particulate filters while maintaining engine efficiency. Number 2. LIQUI 5W30 Synthetic Oil. LIQUI 5W30 Synthetic Oil is a high-performance, low-friction engine oil formulated for drivers who prioritize efficiency, cleanliness, and long-term engine protection. Its low-viscosity design combined with high shear stability ensures reliable lubrication under varying loads and temperatures, reducing internal friction and helping the engine operate smoothly. One of its standout benefits is its ability to prevent the formation of harmful deposits, which contributes to cleaner engine internals and sustained performance over time. By minimizing friction and maintaining stable oil film strength, this oil supports improved fuel economy and helps extend engine service life. LIQUI 5W30 is well suited for year-round use, adapting effectively to both cold starts and high-temperature driving conditions. It is engineered to protect engine components during extended oil change intervals, making it a practical choice for vehicles subjected to demanding driving patterns or extreme operating requirements. Number 3. Mobil Quart Synthetic Oil. Mobil Quart Synthetic Oil, powered by Mobil 1 advanced full synthetic technology, is designed to deliver outstanding engine performance, protection, and cleanliness in a wide range of driving conditions. Using Mobil 1's triple action formula, this 5W30 motor oil works to reduce wear, control deposits, and maintain stable viscosity throughout extended use. It helps protect critical engine components for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes by resisting oxidation and preventing oil breakdown, which supports consistent lubrication over time. Meeting ILSAC GF6 standards, it provides added protection against low-speed pre-ignition and timing chain, while also contributing to improved fuel economy. Mobil Quart Synthetic Oil is formulated to actively remove sludge and reduce internal engine temperatures, helping engines run cleaner and more efficiently. Its impressive thermal performance allows it to withstand high heat conditions up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Castrol Edge Synthetic Oil. Castrol Edge Synthetic Oil is engineered for drivers who demand maximum strength and performance from their engine oil under high-stress conditions. Featuring advanced fluid titanium technology, this oil is designed to be significantly stronger than leading full synthetic oils, helping it maintain film strength when engines are under heavy load or high torque. Independent testing shows superior resistance to viscosity breakdown, ensuring consistent protection even in extreme operating environments. Castrol Edge is also formulated to deliver exceptional high-stress performance, making it suitable for modern engines that operate at higher pressures and temperatures. With the ability to support up to 20,000 miles or 1 year between oil changes, it offers both convenience and long-term value. The oil meets and exceeds a wide range of industry specifications, including API and ILSAC standards, as well as GM Dexo's 1 Gen 3 requirements. Number 5. Valvoline 5W30 Synthetic Oil. Valvoline 5W30 synthetic oil is designed to actively restore engine cleanliness while providing strong, long-lasting protection against future wear. Featuring Valvoline's Active Clean technology, this oil works over time to remove up to 100% of engine deposits with continuous use, helping improve overall engine efficiency and reliability. Leaky Shield technology adds an extra layer of defense by preventing the formation of new deposits, supporting cleaner engine internals between oil changes. Compared to industry standards, Valvoline delivers significantly stronger anti-wear protection, helping safeguard critical engine components under daily driving conditions. Its friction-reducing formulation minimizes metal-to-metal contact, which can contribute to improved fuel economy and smoother operation. One of its key strengths is versatility. Selecting the right lubricant is an investment in engine health and dependable performance over time. The options discussed provide strong protection, improved efficiency, and reliable operation in varied conditions. With proper maintenance and quality oil, your engine can run smoother, last longer, and perform at its best every mile.